to robotic precision, and that's exactly what causes the results to happen also in the same manner. So within, from the back end, this is actually a very curious thing, at least for me, who has been into forex industry just for the excitement of it, the energy that it gives me. So seeing the back end as it is always created me this energy to always go research what exactly is happening in the back end. So poking it inside, what exactly is happening there. Can we try this? Can we do this? Even my clients are sharing the similar energy with me and trying this is what can we just try with this indicator and see how it goes and how it works. So this actually causes towards the algorithmic trading to be incorporating whatever strategy that we want to, but in higher precision and higher accuracy. So that's what I would like to add. And to be specifically speaking about any algorithmic strategy that we have found to be good as we had tried with moving averages on GBP USD. We have tried with the banks, we have tried with the gold USD, and we have found the consistency in returns, but definitely tweaking it in and out, always on top of the market, identifying the trends, identifying the patterns, even the timings of the market openings, whenever the lowest spread is possible, whenever the positions are being taken, taking into all these factors, we have made, hundreds of we have tried out hundreds of provisions because of this curiosity myself. And out of which the most consistent one is that which we are confident about as well.
And do you think algorithmic tools kind of lower risk management exponentially?
To be fair, it all depends on the market volatility as such, and the strategy, how it is faring on the back markets and the backward test as well as because it's not always 100% perfect, or it's not 100% accurate when it is being tested on a forward market. So we always are on top of things. Even though the automation is happening there, it's not like we are just letting it loose. We always are on top of this and iterating or reiterating what exactly and where exactly we can add that one small point so that it stands online and it does not go out of the way.
Thank you so much. Mr. Yusuf, same question. How do you incorporate algorithmic trading into your Forex trading strategy? And can you discuss any particular algorithms or tools that you have found to be effective?
Sure. To answer the question, first I would like to give a synopsis of what is actually the algorithm trading, or because it is known by various names. Someone call it algorithm trading, some tell it as an expert advisor, some call it as a bot. But this is nothing but just a programming language which defines the function of a particular sequence for the trading environment, whether to buy, sell, delete or modify the trade. And given under the certain market conditions, once you plug in the expert advisor into your trading platform, it will start running the same. So the question was, how do you incorporate algorithm trading? To incorporate algorithm trading into your trading strategy, the first thing is to define whether you require it or not. We just cannot go if everyone is going behind it. We need to assess the need for as per our trading strategy. Yes, do I require? For what? Second question is, for what do I require? Because there are two sets of traders in the market. One who are manual traders, one those who are consistently putting their efforts only on the algo trading strategies. So at a time in manual traders, if it's a positional traders, they don't require much, but yes, people, those who are doing the scalping and high speed trading, they do require. Without algos, scalping is dead duck. You cannot proceed ahead in scalping. So in this way, first we need to assess the need. Second, to incorporate the things, you need to define the strategies for the trading expert advisors. What kind of strategies you want to feed into the program so it can perform the same. Like for an example, if you are even a manual trader and you just need to open a trade and just let the expert advisor to manage the stop loss, take profit, trailing or whatever things, it can be done. So in this way, you can incorporate the expert advisor into your trading programs, but not necessary for all trading strategies. And you can discuss particular algorithms. Yes, there are certain programs on which I had worked extensively, which was like say, there are two categories in this. One is active, one is passive. Now, what do we mean by active expert advisors? Active means I would like to say like the expert advisors which are programmed to work simultaneously, like in one single shot. It will open, close, modify, delete every function. It will take care of themselves. That is called active set of expert advisors. But at the same time, we have the passive ones. What are the passive ones? Passive ones means it works not as a standalone, but with other expert advisors or with the manual input. Now, I'll just give a simple example to clarify these things. First set of active advisors, as I told you, it's a set of program. You just plug and play, it will start working. Nothing to like, no things to be done on that part. But the passive ones are like a manual trader opening a trade and let the expert advisor manage that trade according to the given set of conditions. Or in certain way, there are certain expert advisors which work conjunctively with the first one. Like the first one, if it is making the loss, the second one will make the opposite orders and reverse that loss. So it can be programmed in a way, but it all again depends upon your trading style and strategy, what is in your mind. So first define it yourself and then look for the programs, and inshallah it will be a success. Thank you.
Thank you so much for such a comprehensive answer. Truly, I think you've captured everybody's attention here. Mr. David, my question for you is, how do you evaluate different trading platforms and tools to determine which ones will best suit your needs as a trader?
All right. I think first of all you need to define your trading goals, requirements you have towards the platform. After that, when you define these goals and the requirements you have, you can do a thorough